So I generally just, get to a certain military unit and put them all around my border to keep everyone out. And then I will just build up. So very isolationist.
Nice.
Yeah.
And just work on the science and the
Yep.
tech.
That's it.
You're making it sound so fun.
It's so much
And
fun.
I also saw a Civilization 7 trailer.
Oh man, I'm so
Yeah.
pumped.
And that's probably coming out
Come
maybe
on, Civ 7, hit me up. I'll alpha, beta test, whatever. That'd be
wait,
sick.
well, when is it coming out? It's in next
2025.
Yeah, yeah, next
Yeah.
year, yeah. What other stuff would you like to see improved about the Neuralink app and just the entire experience?
I would like to, like I said, get back to the um like click on demand, like the regular clicks. That would be great. I would like to be able to connect to more devices. Right now, it's just the computer. I'd like to be able to use it on my phone or use it on different consoles, different platforms. I'd like to be able to control as much stuff as possible, honestly. Like an Optimus robot would be pretty cool. That would be
Mhm.
sick if I could control an Optimus robot. The Link app itself, it seems like we are getting pretty um, dialed in to what it might look like down the road. Seems like we've gotten through a lot of what I want from it, at least. The only other thing I would say is like more control over all the parameters that I can tweak with my like cursor and stuff. There's a lot of things that go into how the cursor moves in certain ways, and I don't know, like three or four of those parameters, and there
Like
might be
gain and friction and all
gain,
that.
friction, yeah. And there's maybe double the amount of those with just like velocity and then with the actual dwell cursor. So I would like all of it. I want as much control over my environment as possible.
So you want
Especially,
like advanced mode, like in like there's
yeah,
menus usually there's basic
yep.
mode,
Hmm.
and you're like one of those folks like
Exactly.
the
I
the
go into
power user,
everything. Yeah, yeah,
advanced.
yeah. That's
Got it.
that's that's what I want. I want as much control over this as possible. So yeah, that's really all I can ask for. Just give me everything.
Has speech been useful? Like just being able to talk also in addition to everything else
Yeah, you mean like while I'm using it
while
or
you're using it, like speech to text?
oh yeah,
Or do you
yeah.
type, or like, because there's also a keyboard
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
really
yeah. So there's
nice.
a virtual keyboard. That's another thing I would like to work more on is finding some way to type or text in a different way. Right now it is like a dictation basically and a virtual keyboard that I can use with the cursor. But we've played around with like fingerspelling, like sign language fingerspelling.
Mm.
And that seems really promising. So I have this thought in my head that it's going to be a very similar learning curve that I had with the cursor, where I went from attempted movement to imagined movement at one point.
Hmm.
I have a feeling, this is just my intuition, that at some point I'm going to be doing finger spelling and I won't need to actually attempt to fingerspell anymore, that I'll just be able to think the like letter that I want and it'll pop up.
That would be epic.
Yeah. And not
That's
just,
challenging though.
yeah.
That's hard. That's a lot of work for you to kind of take that leap, but that would be awesome.
And then like going from letters to words is another step. Like you would go from, right now it's finger spelling of like just the sign language alphabet. But if it's able to pick that up, then it should be able to pick up like the whole sign language, like language.